Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by powering avionics and confirming radar cooling. This keeps lock reliability high. Once done, select AWG9 mode, TWS for multiple targets, SDT for single target tracking. Make sure your missile loadout matches engagement range, AIM-54 for long range, AIM-9 for short. You should monitor ECM state because jamming reduces detection. Now bring radar from standby to search. Start scanning head-on and at oblique angles so the radar paints targets quickly. You scan in TWS to pick up groups. The radar will show priority tracks, interpret them by closure and bearing. Once a threat emerges, switch to SDT and assign a target to ensure continuous track. This readies the AIM-54. Make sure to adjust range gates and PRF to reduce scalloping and false alarms. Coordinate with your Rio. He handles radar modes and missile prep while you fly. Maintain situational awareness. Reacquire if you pull high G maneuvers. You verify launch authority by checking tone, lead queue and safe envelope, then fire AIM-54s from beyond visual range. After launch, watch missile TTT and the data link. If the missile loses mid-course updates, switch to predictive guidance or prepare a follow-up. If the radar suddenly drops lock, cycle antenna off-on and change PRF. Reduce high G or high aspect maneuvers until required. As a last resort, switch to AIM-7 or AIM.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.